Swazi TV, in partnership with the Elections and Boundaries Commission, has launched a program which aims to educate the public on the upcoming general elections. The program, Sakha Kwetfu, was officially launched by the station CEO, Bongani Austin Dlamini.
As the nation gears up for the 2018 general elections, the Swaziland Television Authority, in partnership with the Elections and Boundaries Commission, has launched a program that seeks to educate Swazis on the elections. The program was officially launched by the station's Chief Executive Officer, Bongani Austin Dlamini, who explained that one of Swazi TV's duties is to ensure that it broadcasts development programs in order to ensure self-reliance on Swazis. The CEO said the primary objective of the program is to take the civic voter education to the people.
We are pleased to inform you that the program is well prepared now, which is in the form of 52 episodes running for 52 weeks. And it will be in the varied duration of 30 and 1 hour. The 30 minutes will be the civic education programs that will be run by the Boundaries Committee, who will be teaching on the whys and whats as relates to elections. And we have found it of essence again that we also create the space for the interactive mode where people will be allowed on the 1 hour session situation, will be allowed to put forth their aspirations and questions so that the exercise is wholly interactive. And in this regard, we have also then created a slot where we will be broadcasting the programs every Sunday at 6 p.m. to 7 for the run of an hour. And we would then invite our audiences to ensure that we view this program accordingly so that we are all informed as what obtains of us in terms of necessities and expectations, so that as of our duty in the elections, we are able to undertake the elections accordingly in the coming or forthcoming year.
The chairman of the Elections and Boundaries Commission, Chief Gicha, said it transpired during the voter civic education that they are doing throughout the country that some Swazis are left out because of one reason or the other. But the media, including Swazi TV, does not want to be left out in the nation-building exercise, hence the launch of the program. Chief Gicha said an election is very important and it must be understood by everyone because it is where people exercise their democratic right to choose their representatives in parliament.
Lukhetho yinto lemxoko letsinga ukuthi wonke umuntu ayatisise kahle ngoba ngilapho sakha tembuso ave khona sakha kubusika kwelive libuswa ngenthandwe eliningi.
The program Sakha Kwetfu will be presented by John Perez and it will be aired every Sunday at 6 p.m. The CEO and the chairman of the EBC urged Swazis to watch the program so that they are not left out and they fully understand the upcoming elections. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Sibusiso Ngubane Mbabane.